Hello, this is going to be a go at raindrops keep falling on my head. Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit, no. Raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. No, raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, these blues they've sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long before happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, no. I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Raindrops keep falling. Raindrops keep falling. Raindrops keep falling. Raindrops keep falling. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Thank you very much. Thank you.